Hello, dear viewers. Do you ever wonder what's truly swirling inside that drink you're sipping? Many of us might be unknowingly guzzling down sugars, preservatives, and a bunch of other not-so-great ingredients. Now, don't get us wrong. We all deserve a treat now and then. But if we're going for optimal health and well-being, some drinks might just not make the cut. In today's video, we'll unravel the top 8 drinks that you might want to think twice about before taking that next sip. And because we've always got your back, we'll sprinkle in healthier alternatives to keep you refreshed and thriving. So if you're thirsty for knowledge, see what we did there? Stay tuned. Together, we'll dive deep into the world of beverages, ensuring that every gulp counts towards a healthier you. Why some drinks are harmful. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve deeper into why some beverages might not be our best friends, health-wise. Firstly, high sugar content is a sneaky culprit found in many drinks. Overconsumption of sugar is linked with a myriad of health issues, from weight gain to more severe conditions like diabetes. And we're not just talking sodas, even some teas and juices can be sugar minefields. Moving on, have you ever struggled to pronounce some ingredients on your drink label? Those might be the artificial additives and preservatives we're wary of. While they make drinks last longer on shelves, they aren't always the best for our bodies. Then there's the buzz about high caffeine levels. We all love a little pick-me-up, but too much caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, lead to jitters, and even cause heart palpitations. Lastly, the concept of empty calories. These are drinks that provide a lot of calories but very little nutritional value. It's like filling our cars with low-grade fuel and expecting peak performance. We deserve better. To sum up, while these drinks might tempt our taste buds, they can play tricks on our health. Together, let's make informed choices, one sip at a time. Sugary sodas. The bubbly sensation of a cold soda on a hot day. We get the appeal, truly. But starting our countdown at number 8, we've got sugary sodas. Ever wonder why they're so addictive? One primary reason: high fructose corn syrup. This sweetener, often more affordable than natural sugars, is loaded in most commercial sodas. Not only does it pack in the calories, but its excessive consumption is also directly linked to unwanted weight gain and, worse, the onset of diabetes. But wait, we're not just here to rain on your soda parade. For those of you craving that fizzy fix without the health setbacks, consider sparkling water. Add a splash of natural fruit juice and voila, you've got yourself a refreshing drink, minus the health concerns. It's a simple switch, but one that our bodies will undoubtedly thank us for in the long run. Counting down to number 7, we're tackling energy drinks. We've all felt that midday slump and reached for that vibrant can promising hours of alertness. But what's the real cost of this quick fix? For starters, many energy drinks are loaded with excessive caffeine. While a cup of coffee has its place, these beverages can sometimes contain as much as 3-5 times the caffeine of a standard cup. Combine that with high sugar levels, and you're looking at a recipe for a quick energy crash and a potential long-term risk to your heart health. Now, we're not saying you should battle fatigue unarmed. If you're hunting for a boost, why not explore nature's pantry? Herbal teas offer a gentle lift without the jitters. And for those who still want some caffeine, green tea not only provides a milder boost, but also comes packed with antioxidants. Making the switch can mean fewer crashes and a healthier, more sustained energy flow. As we continue our countdown, landing at number 6, let's chat about those glitzy, convenient, pre-mixed alcoholic cocktails. Picture this. It's a warm evening, you're at a gathering, and there's a colorful can or bottle beckoning you with the promise of a refreshing cocktail. But here's the kicker. Many of these pre-mixed delights are teeming with high sugar content. And guess what? Sugar translates to excessive calories. Before you know it, you've consumed the calorie equivalent of a small meal just in drinks. But hey, we're not about spoiling your fun. If you love a good cocktail, we have a solution. Homemade is the way to go. Opt for lighter, fresh ingredients. Think fresh citrus juice, a splash of sparkling water, and quality spirits. Not only do you control what goes into your drink, but you also get to experiment and maybe find your signature mix. So, next time, raise a glass to healthier choices and enjoy the genuine taste of a well-made drink. Navigating our way to number 5, we land on a beverage that many choose in the hopes of a healthier lifestyle: diet sodas. These are often marketed as the better alternative to regular sodas, but there's a twist. Many diet sodas contain artificial sweeteners. While they might be calorie-free, some research suggests potential links to various health concerns. It's a tricky trade-off when you think you're choosing the healthier option. But don't fret. We've got refreshing alternatives up our sleeve. For starters, unsweetened iced tea provides a brisk, flavorful experience without the unwanted additives. And if you're in the mood for bubbles, sparkling water can be your go-to. Want to jazz it up? Add a wedge of lemon or lime. With these choices, you're not just settling for less, you're actively choosing more for your health. On to number 4, and it might come as a surprise to many: fruit juices with added sugars. The bright packaging often showcases luscious fruits, making us believe we're making a wholesome choice. But dive into the ingredients, and you'll find that many of these juices can be just as sugary as sodas. Such high sugar levels aren't just bad for our teeth, but can also sneakily contribute to weight gain. But wait, does this mean you need to part ways with fruity beverages? Absolutely not. The key is to be choosy. Opt for 100% natural fruit juices. These ensure you're sipping on pure fruit goodness without the added sugars. Another trick? Consider watering down your juices. This not only cuts down the sugar but also makes for a light and refreshing drink. Cheers to vibrant health with genuine fruitiness. Before we move on to our top 3, here's a little bonus nugget for our diligent viewers. Did you know that consuming whole fruits is always a superior choice compared to even the purest fruit juices? That's right. Whole fruits contain essential fibers and lesser sugars, giving you all the goodness in the most natural way. Next time you crave a fruity splash, why not grab a fresh piece of fruit? And hey, brace yourselves. The upcoming 3 drinks are widely popular, and some of them might truly astonish you. Can you guess what they might be? Stick around and let's uncover them together. Number 3. Specialty coffees with all the extras. We've all been there, standing in line at our favorite coffee shop, tempted by the mouth-watering descriptions of caramel-drizzled, whipped cream-topped, chocolate-infused coffee wonders. But here's the bitter truth. These specialty coffees can be calorie bombs in a cup. Often they pack in excessive sugars and fats which, while delicious, aren't always the best for our health. Now, we're not saying ditch your coffee ritual, but there are healthier twists to it. Consider going for a plain black coffee. It's rich in antioxidants and virtually calorie-free. If that's too bold for your taste, a simple latte with almond or oat milk can be a creamy yet healthier alternative. These swaps will let you enjoy your daily caffeine fix without the added baggage of unnecessary calories. And believe us, with the next 2 drinks on our list, you'll want all the tips and alternatives you can get. Ready to continue our journey? Number 2. The truth about sweetened iced teas. With summer's heat knocking at our door, we often reach for what seems like a refreshing choice: sweetened iced teas. But wait a second. While these drinks may quench our thirst, they can often be sugar traps in disguise. Despite the tea in their name making them sound wholesome, many store-bought versions are loaded with sugars, diminishing their health benefits. But don't let this information dampen your sunny day. We've got the perfect solution for your iced tea cravings. Try making it at home. It's surprisingly easy. Brew your favorite tea, let it chill, and add just a hint of honey or natural sweeteners like stevia. Not only will you be cutting down on sugar, but you'll also have full control over the flavor and sweetness. Stay tuned. The number one drink on our countdown is coming up, and it's one that might truly surprise you. We've finally reached the number one on our countdown, and it's a biggie. Sports drinks. Splashy colors, commercials featuring peak athletes, and the promise of replenished electrolytes. Sounds ideal after a sweaty workout, right? Well, it's not that simple. These drinks were originally formulated for high-intensity athletes who sweat out significant minerals during extended exercises. But here's the twist. Many of us non-athletes have started gulping them down as regular beverages. That's a recipe for an unnecessary sugar and calorie overload, folks. Now, we're not saying to ditch them entirely, especially if you're running marathons or climbing mountains. However, for most of us, there are healthier alternatives that can offer hydration without the sugary setback. Have you tried electrolyte-infused water or the tropical delight that is coconut water? Both provide a hydrating punch and essential minerals without those extra sugars. What a journey we've been on today. From the sugary depths of pre-mixed alcoholic cocktails and deceptive fruit juices to the surprising truths about specialty coffees and sports drinks, we've delved deep into the beverage world. It's not just about pointing fingers at these drinks, but more about empowering each of us with knowledge. When you stand in that supermarket aisle or at the cafe counter, always give that nutritional info and ingredients list a second glance. Even if you occasionally want to indulge, moderation becomes the key to maintaining balance. Now, for our vibrant community, have you encountered any other sneaky drinks or discovered healthier alternatives on your own? We'd love to hear. Share your thoughts, experiences, or drink suggestions in the comments below. If this video quenched your thirst for knowledge, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your pals, and subscribe for more insightful content. And speaking of content, if you love this, there's more in store. Check out the suggested video on the screen. Also, don't forget to rummage through the links in the description for some hand-picked products related to today's topic. Stay hydrated, stay informed, and see you in the next video.